Hello, my name's Martin Fish and I'd like to talk to you about this Liberty 43, which is a 17-inch self-propelled cylinder mower from Allett. This is the top of the range model in the Liberty series, and it's ideal for somebody that wants that traditional lawn, close mowing, lovely stripe. But unlike lots of mowers, this one is powered by a battery, so no mains cables to trail, you've got no engine to maintain and service, very easy to start of course, and totally environmentally friendly. The 17-inch model, like the other mowers in the Liberty range, is powered by a lithium-ion battery in the housing here, and that is very simple to take out. Just unclip it, and there we have it. That is our battery pack that will power this for up to 45 minutes, and you can cut around 500 square meters of grass on one charge. It's also got a charge indicator on there, so we just simply push the little green button, the lights illuminate and tell us how much charge is in there. But one of the great features about lithium ion is you don't have to let them discharge every time you use them. You can simply take this out, put it in the charger, top it up, back in the mower, and away you go. So that goes in there and clicks into position. And also we have a key here which unplugs. This is a safety device, which basically means when this is out, you can't start the mower. So it's ideal to take out when it's in storage to prevent any accidents. But before we mow, we just push it in, close the lid, and we're now ready to cut grass. The mower is really easy to use, and all the controls are here on the handlebar. First of all, it's got a padded handle, so that makes it nice and comfortable when you're out mowing. And it's got a safety switch, as you would expect. So in order to put the blades in gear, we depress the red button, pull back the lever, and that puts our cylinder into action. The lever underneath we lift to put it in drive, and this particular model has a split roller with a differential, which means it's very easy to manoeuvre and of course turn at the end of the row. So to mow, it's button down, blades in gear, and away we go. This model also has variable speed, so if you want to go slower, you simply turn the dial down and the mower and the blades slow down. Ideal if you're on a bank or a bit of uneven ground. But then when you want to go faster, turn it back up again and away we go. The height of cut on this model can be adjusted anywhere between the lowest cut, which is 6mm, about 1/4 of an inch, up to 32mm, which is 1 1/4 inches. And we do it with this dial at the back, and we can set it to anything in between those maximum and minimum heights. So really good for height adjusting. The grass is all collected in the box at the front. This has got a large volume, so holds lots of clippings in there. And now we can see the cylinder. This is the bit that cuts the grass. And the 17-inch model has 6 blades, unlike the other 2 in the series, which basically means we get an even finer cut. We get more cuts per metre. So for those of you that want a really good lawn, this is the mower that you need. It cuts onto the bottom blade like a scissor action. And the benefit, of course, of a cylinder mower is you get a very neat, sharp cut to the lawn. You don't get any brown edges or any damaging or bruising. So again, quality lawn is what we're looking for. Just behind the front roller on here, we can see also that we've got a comb. And what the comb does, it drags through the grass before it's cut. So if you've got any long, straggly bits of grass or anything that's been flattened, it stands it up so that then the blade can come along and cut it. And these are sharp blades. And if I just use a piece of paper and put it into the mower between the cylinder and the bottom blade, we can see that when this is set up properly, we get a really, really clean cut. So mower that will give a finish to the lawn like a professional lawn mower. Just like the other mowers in the Liberty range, there's also a scarifying cassette available for this mower. Simply take out the cylinder and this slots into position. And of course, scarifying is really good to help keep your lawn in good condition. It removes the thatch, dead material and moss, and also helps to aerate the grass to keep it growing and healthy. It really is a good mower. Of course, it's environmentally friendly with the battery. It's easy to use and very light. And of course, it's British designed and manufactured. Absolutely wonderful. In fact, I'm going to finish mowing the lawn with it now. If you'd like more information on this mower or any of the machinery in the Allett range, go to their website allett.co.uk.